Are you looking to step into the booming e-commerce industry and create a platform like Mercado Libre? You've come to the right place. The world of online business is evolving rapidly, and the opportunity to tap into this market has never been more rewarding. In 2024, Mercado Libre made waves, generating nearly $5 billion in net revenue, up from $3.6 billion the year before. This is proof that the e-commerce sector is ripe with potential. But the question is, are you ready to seize it? In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create a successful e-commerce platform, just like Mercado Libre. Let's dive right in. Analyze the market. Before jumping into development, take the time to analyze your competitors. Understand what works in the market and where you can stand out. A thorough market analysis will help you create a solid strategy, ensuring your platform competes effectively in the ever-evolving e-commerce world. Hire the right development team. To build a successful Mercado Libre-like platform, you need a dedicated development team. A reputable e-commerce development company can bring in expertise that ensures your platform is not just functional, but scalable and optimized for growth. RichestSoft, with its expert team, is here to help you turn your vision into reality. Incorporate top-notch features and API. To keep users engaged, your platform needs to have powerful features. Think seamless interactions, easy payments, and intuitive interfaces. RichestSoft helps integrate the best APIs, ensuring your platform runs smoothly and provides an amazing experience for both buyers and sellers. UX/UI designs are key. Your platform's design can make or break the user experience. A simple, user-friendly interface is crucial. With RichestSoft's expertise, we ensure that your platform is easy to navigate and works across all devices. A great UX/UI design is your ticket to keeping customers coming back. Testing and deployment. Before you launch, it's essential to thoroughly test your platform to catch any bugs or glitches. This step ensures a smooth deployment, allowing you to hit the ground running. RichestSoft's thorough testing process ensures your platform is error-free and ready for the market. Ongoing maintenance and updates. Your platform's journey doesn't end at launch. Regular maintenance and updates are key to staying competitive and connected with your users. With RichestSoft, we provide ongoing support, ensuring your platform evolves with the market and continues to meet user demands. Integrating advanced technologies. To truly stand out in the crowded e-commerce space, integrating cutting-edge technologies is a must. AI, AR, and natural language processing, NLP, are all tools that can take your platform to the next level. From personalized shopping experiences to immersive product visuals, these technologies will help you build a loyal customer base. Monetizing your Mercado Libre platform. Now, let's talk revenue. A Mercado Libre-like platform can generate income through product sales, in-platform ads, service fees, and subscription models. RichestSoft's expertise ensures you build a platform that's not only functional, but also a reliable source of steady revenue. Cost to build a website like Mercado Libre. Building a platform like Mercado Libre requires an investment. The cost can vary between $30,000 and $250,000, depending on the complexity, features, and the development team's expertise. But the returns? They're worth it. With the right strategy, your platform can become a major player in the e-commerce world. Here's what affects the cost. Website complexity. Simple websites can cost $10,000 to $30,000, while high-complexity ones can range from $70,000 to $150,000 plus. Platform type. A native app, Android/iOS, could cost $50,000 to $100,000, while a website will be around $15,000 to $50,000. Development team expertise. Senior developers charge $100 to $200 per hour, while junior developers may charge as low as $30 to $60 per hour. API integration. Basic integration starts at $2,000, while complex integrations can go up to $20,000. Development region. Development costs vary by region. US, $100 to $150 per hour. Asia, $30 to $60 per hour. Understanding these factors will help you better estimate your project cost. In conclusion, building a Mercado Libre-like website is a rewarding journey if you have the right plan and the right partner. At RichestSoft, we're here to help you at every step, whether you're creating a platform from scratch or using a pre-built solution. Ready to make your mark in the e-commerce world? Contact us today and let's build something great together.